What's going on, everybody? It's Chris from Out West with Chris, out here on Lake Shasta. This is Jones Valley. That's Matt from Yankee Tanker Outdoors. Look how off-road his Jeep is. And that's some serious stuff right there. I'm happy as a clam because I'm gonna be fishing and hopefully we can find some fish today. Yesterday was a little bit tough. So hopefully we can get on like 50, 10-inch spots or something. So we'll see what happens out here today. Maybe we'll find some decent fish, maybe not, but let's get after it. Yesterday when we launched, it was like 26 degrees at Lake Britain. It's like 56, 57 today. Just missed my first bite. I was right under the boat. Probably a spot. It was a decent bite, hit it hard. So I'm still down there. A lot of times the fish will come right back. Trying to work this little cut. Matt is working the trees. Oh man. Ah! Okay, so I switched to an underspin. I had a different bait on it. I was throwing it earlier. Had a different bait on it, but I kind of changed up. Seen a lot of fish out here on the graph, but gotta translate that to catching fish. I got one bite.
Dropshot?
Yeah, over here. And I'm marking them in here.
Yeah, I'm seeing them right now too. Got one. Fish on.
All right, we got one. Feels okay. It's probably just a tiny little spot, but oh gosh, that's not bad. It's not too big, but we're gonna take him. He's not tiny. Huh?
What?
Huh?
Nice.
Not too bad?
Yeah,
That's two fish
I know.
between the two of us. Probably gonna be a drop shot Ned Rig shaky head type day. When we get into some less rocky stuff and more clay bank, I'll probably throw that shaky head a little bit. It's a little bit windier than I expected out here, but that's just part of the game. So, weatherman lies. Got one by the tree. I don't even know if this hit the bottom. Fighter. Not a bad little fish. Yep, there's another one. Oh gosh. Little smallie? Little smallie. Whoa. Well, it's kind of windy. Haven't thrown a jig yet today, so let's just do that right now. There we go. Finally. Not bad. Oh gosh. It's been a while. But man, that's not a bad little spot. I'm gonna take him. All right, mister. Jeez, feisty. There's a few of them down there, it looks like. Way back up in this cove. Throwing a underspin now. Do this a little bit earlier. Just trying to search for fish at this point. I gotcha. Oh, thank you.
Thank you, buddy.
Yeah, no worries, man.
I started hearing the radio and I'm like, why do I hear the radio?
It's getting closer. Where do you want it?
Oh, anywhere, but it don't matter.
Okay. Oh, yeah, no worries, man.
Hey, good luck.
Thank you.
You guys catching them?
Yeah, not that many though.
Yeah.
You know, not a ton. Well, I'm sure glad we did this, even though the fishing hasn't been lights out.
I didn't expect it. I never... Catching fish is always like a challenge.
Yeah.
There's always days where it's lights out. I seem to never be on the water.
I'm right there with you. That'll do. This one's a fighter. Ooh, man. Damn. It's a decent one. He's long. I lost my bump board somewhere, so we're just gonna have to say that's a decent fish. All right, there we go. 2 in about 5 minutes span. I think they're clustered up right here, so let's see if we can catch some more.
Molly?
No. Not a bad fish. 3 right here in the last 5 minutes. All right, Matt isn't feeling too hot. He's calling it a day. I'm gonna keep fishing for a little bit. I got like a 3-hour drive home, but I don't have a curfew, and I really don't have anybody waiting for me at home, so. There's a bite. Oh! Man, I just got my clock cleaned by a fish. Got me kind of sleeping, I guess. But this is another situation where we're in a cut and they're kind of not all the way in it, although I've caught some all the way in them, but they're kind of in the cut. Oh man. Of course I shut my camera off. It's not a bad, gosh dang. It's not a bad spot at all. It's solid, really full belly. Good looking fish. Nice looking fish. Ooh. Gotta love that. Yep, there's a bite. And there's a fish. Man. It's another decent spot. All right, another decent one. They've all been pretty chunky. Well, that's it. I don't know how many I caught, 10, 11, 12, something like that. Pretty early on, we figured out what was going on with these fish, that they were tucking up into these coves, and they weren't as deep as we thought they were gonna be. I'd say the majority of our fish were caught between 15 feet or less. The ones I caught fought well. I mean, they fought really hard, actually, and they all came on drop shot. I mean, that's what it took today. I tried a lot of other stuff, not effectively, I guess, but caught some fish, so pretty stoked about all that. Anyways, headed back to the ramp, and can't help but think this is such a beautiful place. I mean, it's gorgeous up here. I appreciate you guys watching. Thank you as always. If you have any questions or comments or anything like that you want to type out, you can do that down below in the comment section. We'll catch you sometime else, out on the water, out in the woods, or someplace. Maybe in my house. Well, I don't want to catch you in my house. That'd be kind of weird. Anyways, thanks for watching. Thanks for getting out west with Chris.